Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Storytime on Everyday English. This is episode 13. Today, we will listen to a very long story. The story is about a boy named Leo and his day at home because of the rain. This story is very clear and easy to understand. We will listen slowly. You will learn many new words about the weather and actions inside the house. Let's start the very long story. Leo is a boy. Leo is 10 years old. Leo has a blue t-shirt and gray pants. Leo lives in a small, warm house. It is a Saturday morning. Leo wakes up early. He is happy. Leo looks outside the window. He wants to go to the park today, but the sky is gray. The sky is very gray. The sun is hidden. It is raining. The rain is falling hard. Pitter-patter. Leo hears the sound of the rain. The rain is hitting the window glass. Leo thinks, "Oh no, I cannot go outside today. It is a rainy day." Leo feels a little sad, but then he decides to be happy inside the house. It is 8 o'clock now. Leo is hungry. He walks to the kitchen slowly. He makes his breakfast. He puts bread in the toaster. Ding! He spreads butter on the toast. He pours milk into a blue cup. He eats his toast and drinks his milk. He feels full and warm now. After breakfast, Leo goes to the living room. The living room is big. He looks at the rain again. The rain is still falling. It is a slow, continuous rain. Leo decides to read. He loves books. He finds his favorite book. The book has a red cover. Leo sits on the sofa. The sofa is very soft. He opens the book. He reads the words slowly. He reads for 1 hour. He is quiet and focused. It is 11 o'clock. Leo is tired of reading. He wants to play. He goes to his bedroom. He opens a big box of toys. He finds his favorite car. The car is small and yellow. Leo makes the car drive on the floor. He makes a road on the rug. He plays with the yellow car. He plays for a long time. He is having fun inside. It is noon. It is 12 o'clock. Leo's mother calls him. Leo and his mother prepare lunch. They make a simple soup. The soup is hot. They cut small pieces of bread. Leo and his mother sit at the table. They eat the hot soup. The soup is very good. It makes Leo feel warm and comfortable. It is the afternoon. It is 2 o'clock. The rain stops for a moment. The sky is still gray, but the rain stops. Leo looks outside. The ground is very wet. There are small puddles of water. Leo goes to the window. He watches a small bird land on a wet branch of a tree. The bird shakes the water off its wings. It is 4 o'clock. The rain starts again. Now it is heavy rain. Patter, patter, patter. Leo sits on the sofa again. He decides to draw. He takes paper and 5 colorful crayons. Leo draws a big picture of a yellow sun. He draws a happy boy. He draws a park without rain. He colors the drawing carefully. He hangs the picture on the refrigerator. It is 6 o'clock. It is evening. The rain is still falling. Leo is a little sleepy. He is tired from his day inside. Leo and his mother watch a movie on the television. The movie is funny. Leo is warm and comfortable on the sofa. He feels happy and safe in his house. It is 8 o'clock. Leo goes to his bed. He is ready to sleep. He thinks, it was a long, good day inside the house, even with the rain. He closes his eyes. He is sleeping now. He sleeps all night long. Tomorrow, Leo hopes for a sunny day. That was a very long and wonderful story about Leo's rainy day. We hope you enjoyed this long story and learned many new words about the weather and home routine. Listening to stories in English is a fantastic way to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our lessons. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to Everyday English for more great stories, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for learning with us, and we will see you in the next video.